An update on my outdoor DIY Dragonfly made from fence pickets and porch spindles. I do not use ceiling fan blades anymore in the Michigan weather. I made this on my YouTube channel in 2017, and this is what it looks like today, May 15th, 2023. A few of the stones did come off. Remember, this is 6 years later, but the wood did not warp. And then this one fell off. And there you go, a dragonfly that'll last you all year long. You don't have to bring it in and store it every winter. Leave them outside. And these are made out of cabinet drawer knobs. This is just clothes hanger bent, porch spindle, and picket fence wood. Just like this. 6 years old. This is Basha from Legacy's Little Luxuries.